Hello, my name is Nelcy Marcela Capacho Castillo. How to make a camping kitchen? Who will need to? A large can, one small can, corrugated cardboard, wax, string or wick of birthday candles, tin ignite, scissors, bottle opener, food to cook. By cutting strings of cardboard, the saints hand adds the small cans, rolls up the cardboard strips and place them inside the cans. Place the wick or birthday candles at various points on the tin. Prepare a water bath. Put the water in the inner pot to self-melt the water. Who should at least put a couple of medium candles in the generate into buckets. Pour the water over the burner, converting the entire cardboard. Accuse the burner look let good and harder to not touch it with your hand. Who might wear gloves? Using your thin snips, cut a small jaw that flits up, hang out of the open end of the can. Place the burner in the ground or on non-flammable surface like the wood. Place the cooker over the burner. Then put your pot on the fire to make your food and enjoy.